Hey, this good morning. Let me give you a tip how to, if you don't know how to ride a scooter before, let me show you how to get it started. The first time I did it is uh, took me a couple of trial, a lot of trial. I mean, a lot of time wasting. Let me give you some tip how to start riding a scooter. It's very easy. Just follow the basic step and you should be fine. And let me show you how to ride it. So I think the most important part of riding a scooter is you take it slow. um, don't try to go so too fast. Take it slow, take your time, and with a lot of practice you will able to ride it a lot better, and you get more better at it. So first what you do is you turn the key on. First you turn the engine on, and after that just step on the scooter. Make sure you hold on down to your brake, and always look in your mirror. Make sure everything is right and correct, and slowly release the brake, and put a little gas on it. When it starts moving, just sit upright and let it go. I mean, the hardest thing is go slow on a two-wheel vehicle. I mean, if you can go really slow without falling, and that means you're doing great. So keep doing. Find an empty parking lot and just give it a little gas and move. Give a little more gas. Basically, just practice balance the scooter. That's the most important thing. If you can get one of those, if you can buy one of those tennis balls, just cut it in half and align on the road so you can do a little maneuver back and forth. And basically, that's just the basic. You just go slow as you can, trying to balance the scooter. Don't be afraid to lean a little bit, and you should be fine. Just find an empty parking lot like this one right now, and give a little gas and go slow as you can, and you should be great. Make sure you look around. Always look ahead. Don't look down too much, because whatever direction you're looking at, that's where you're gonna go. It's just natural. The hardest thing for me is not going slow, but stopping. Now, some people, when you stop, they tend to have the problem that they're afraid the vehicle gonna fall to one side, and you don't have enough time, or you're not ready to hang on to it, and you're gonna drop your scooter, and that is with some practice, and you should be fine with that. I mean, the scooter itself is already designed that is well balanced. So as long that you keep your steering wheel straight when you stop, your scooter should be stand straight up. All you do is just put your leg down, and you should be able to stop just straight and without your scooter falling on the side. So that's the main thing. Keep your scooter handlebar straight ahead. As long as you keep it straight ahead, you should be fine. Scooter is not gonna fall over. All you do is just put one of your leg over down, and you should be able to stop without falling the scooter over. Let me show you a demonstration. So you go fast, you want to stop, just pull both of the brake and then put your leg down and stop. Go straight, both the brake and put your leg down and it should be stopped. It's that easy. I mean, it's not rocket scientist, you know. This is you just need to get used to it, and that's all it is. Now, when you're riding, you're gonna learn counter steering, which is if you go maybe faster than 15 miles per hour, then it's gonna be hard for you to steer the handlebar. So, how people are steering is you put pressure on one side of the handlebar. Let's say you want to go to the left, you put a little bit pressure down on the left side and it should turn to that side. And you want to turn to the right, you put pressure on the right and it should turn to the right. It's that easy. But that's only for like 50 miles and up. If you go lower than that, you have to do the turning by your by both hands. You know, do manually turning. It won't work if you try to put pressure on, do the counter steering by putting pressure on the one side and then it's gonna turn. So always look ahead, see where you're going, and the counter steering should be naturally. If you ride for, if you keep practicing, it should be natural, and it should be easy. So remember, counter steering, if you go faster than 15, you want to do turn, you just lean on that side, put a little pressure on that side and you should be able to turn. You want to left, do the same thing, put a little pressure on left and you should turn on that side. I mean, control your gas. The gas, don't, you know, time. I always have problem when the beginning, you don't control the gas, and you always ending up like the scooter go too fast and you lost control of it. So just slowly, you know, twist the gas, and you should able to do fine with it. Basically just have fun, you know, just find a parking lot, you know, trying to practice every day, or you can, you should be able to get it done. And always pull both of the brake at the same time, you know, don't try to pull one side, because most of the brake is going to be on the front. But also the front, you know, if you do it too much, or you do it in an emergency, it will lock your wheel up. So if you don't have ABS, and most Chinese scooters they just label ABS, but it's not really the deal with ABS itself. Trying to have fun, take it slow. It's not my first bike. I have on the Honda Rebel 250 is not my first bike, so I dropped it a couple of times. So everybody drops their bike on the first time, so don't worry about it actually dropping it. So that's it. Hope you find that useful and enjoy riding.